Let me show you how to create email templates in Gmail. If you're having to send the same email over and over again, you can create email templates. So this way you can just select the template that you just created and everything will be added in automatically. To create a template for yourself, first thing you need to do is head over to settings and then head over to see all settings. Inside of these settings of Gmail, on the top you're going to see a bunch of options. Head over to advanced and on the right hand side of the option which says templates, make sure you select the enable option. Once you click on enable, click on save changes. Now once this step is now completed, you can click on compose and then add in anything that you need such as subject and the body of the email. Once you add it in the content and the subject of the email, what you can do is click on this three dotted line and then click on templates. Head over to save draft as template and then click on save as new template. You can name this template whatever you'd like and then click on save. And there you go, your template now has been saved. Even if you remove everything from this email, click on the three dotted line, head over to templates and then select the template that you just created. And as easy as that, everything will be automatically added in. If you're sending it to different people, you can just remove the name and change the name only and then click on send. This way you're going to save a lot of time and you do not need to copy and paste every time you're sending this email. So that's basically it on the way that you create an email template in Gmail. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.